Hey everyone, Pat Logue here, Certified Financial Planner, Certified Student Loan Professional. Today we're talking about investments. This is the first part of our 6-part video series. Feel free to tune into the rest of the series if you're interested. Investments is the main thing clients talk to us about. They want to invest money, they want to invest. Sometimes they're not really sure what they're talking about, and we get this question from a lot of clients. What am I actually investing in? What does this mean? Investing, we're usually going to invest in stocks. If you're investing in your brokerage accounts, 401k, things like that. We can talk about other investments like real estate and things in another video. But we have to look at the basics. What is a stock? A stock is just a share of a company. So if we think of a company like Apple, that's the symbol for Apple, AAPL. If you wanted to buy Apple, you would purchase that. That's just each company issues shares of stocks. The shareholders buy the stock. You buy it, let's say you buy it for $100 a share, you're hoping that it's going to increase in value over time. We look at risk tolerance. Now, how do we determine what stock would be appropriate for a client? There are thousands of stocks out there we could choose from. Risk tolerance is a measure of how much risk you're comfortable taking over a period of time. And it measures from 1 to 99. So 1 is the least amount of risk, 99 is you're willing to take the most amount of risk. What does a 1 look like? If your risk tolerance is 1, you're a type of person you just want to hold cash, you stick it under your mattress, you just want it to be there and you want it to be safe. There are some pros and cons to that. The pros are that yes, you're not really going to lose anything, you're not going to wake up tomorrow and see an investment is down 10 or 20%, but the cons are that, especially with inflation, if you're not getting a return on your money, the real return on your money is actually negative because you're losing out on opportunity costs of investing that money and keeping up with inflation. What does a 99 look like? That is more investing in really risky stocks. They might not have earnings yet. They have potential, a lot of potential. People invest in these stocks and pay a lot of money, but they could come crashing down. So they could go to 0 or it could double over time. It's just very risky. Something in between is where most of our clients fall. So once we figure that out, we can help determine how you should be investing, what's the most appropriate for you. But we also look at your time horizon, your goals, things like that. When we invest now, we're not really going to invest in single stocks. It's just not efficient. You'd be trading in and out. You'd have a little too much risk. We look more at mutual funds or ETFs. Most people trade mutual funds. A mutual fund is just a basket of stocks. So it's a basket of stocks. It's going to hold like-type stocks. So you're going to see large cap growth fund. It's going to hold Apple, Amazon, Netflix, some of your big high-flying stocks, things like that. You might have a small cap growth or a small cap value fund. All these different funds we'll look at to evaluate for you and determine what's the best going forward for you. We also look at ETFs. ETFs have an additional advantage to mutual funds. They're a basket of stocks. They typically have lower fees than mutual funds, but they also are traded like a stock. You can trade in and out of an ETF throughout the day. Rather than a mutual fund, you can only trade at the end of the day. So you have a little less liquidity with a mutual fund. So ETFs, just think of those exchange-traded funds, very similar to a mutual fund, but they're also going to give you the added liquidity of trading in and out of an investment like a stock. 401k, we just have this up there. It's a type of retirement account. It's an investment account. We look at a 401k or a simple IRA. Those are either tax deferred or you can sometimes have Roth contributions within your 401k. Those are questions for another day, but we just want to show you what some of the types of accounts that you might come across are.
Hey guys, my name's Alyssa with Prudent Financial Planning. If you like the content we're showing you, go ahead and subscribe to our channel down below and like our video. If you want to take a deeper dive into your own personal finances, you can also click our website link below and schedule a free initial consultation to get started. Thanks.